Hello and welcome to Guys, the channel where we share tips and tricks for your digital life. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Canva, a powerful and easy-to-use graphic design tool on your PC or laptop. Canva is a web-based application, but you can also use it offline by installing the desktop version. To do that, you need to follow these simple steps. First, open any web browser of your choice and go to the address bar. Type in canva.com, download, and hit enter. This will take you to the official Canva download page. Next, you will see a big blue button that says Download Canva. Click on it, and the Canva setup file will start downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, locate the Canva setup file in your Downloads folder and double-click on it to run it. You will see a window that asks you to choose your language. Select the one you prefer and click on Install. The installation process will begin and you will see a progress bar on your screen. Wait until it finishes and then click on Finish. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Canva on your PC or laptop. You can now launch it from your desktop or Start menu and enjoy creating amazing designs with Canva. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.